My name is Molindisto Kamambogwa. I'm glad that you're watching. I am continuing in my revision for K.C.S.E 2018 Mathematics Paper 1. And today I am going to guide you how you would have solved question number 12, which is projected on the wall. As you can clearly see, with some minor corrections, the question is use matrix method to solve. The first equation should be 5x plus 3y, make that change there, which is equals to 35. This is the first of the two simultaneous equations. The second one should read 3x minus 4y equals, this is equals, minus or negative 8, the second simultaneous equation. So we need to be in a position to solve this simultaneous set of simultaneous equations using matrices method, and it requires that you do at least 3 things in the following order. The first thing you need to do is determine or get the determinant, step number 1. Step number 2, using the determinant and then rearranging the matrix to be in a position to do some multiplication which will give us or take us close to the solution for x and y as follows. So I will start off by rewriting the two simultaneous equations first. As the first one is 5x plus 3y equals to 35. And the second one is 3x minus 4y equals to negative 8. So this is the set of simultaneous equations that we need to solve. As I said, you need to rewrite it in matrix form first. So it means take all the nodes and rewrite them as a single matrix as here below. So I have 5, 3, 3, minus 4. Where have these ones come from? I have picked on this and this to form the first row, 3 and minus 4. This minus 4, make sure you carry it together with this sign to get the second row, and then I bring in the second matrix, which is the unknown matrix, x, y, and equals to the set of the values that these two evaluate to. You bring them as a then matrix, 35 minus 8 as follows. So we rewrite the original set of matrices in matrix form, and that gives us this kind of a matrix. Then step number 1, as I indicated, first of all, you get the determinant. How do we get the determinant? We get the determinant as follows. We get the product of the elements in the leading diagonal. This is the main diagonal. Subtract the elements in the second diagonal. When you do this multiplication, you have 5 times 4, which is negative 20. Negative 20. Subtract the product of the elements in the second diagonal, that is 3 times 3. So you subtract 9, which means our determinant is negative 29, like that. That is first thing first, get the determinant. Then, having obtained the determinant, you now move on to step number 2. Step number 2 involves you make use of the determinants to divide on this matrix having been rearranged as follows. The elements in the leading diagonal interchange in their position, swap them. So this negative 4, bring it up. This 5, bring it down. And then the elements in the second diagonal change their sign. This is positive, make it negative. This is positive, make it negative. So we proceed then. Actually, we start the expression with our solutions or matrix, that is xy, like this. It shall be equal to, divide by our determinant, minus 29. Then have this matrix rearranged as I advised. So the elements in the leading diagonal interchange them. So you have negative 4 coming up. This element change the sign, so you'll have minus 4, minus 3. Then the second one, change the sign. This is minus 3, and then 5. Take note, for the sake of emphasis, that it is only the elements in the second diagonal whose signs or values are being reversed. If it is positive, it becomes negative. And the elements in this are only interchanged in their position. Having done that, now bring in this other values matrix. That is negative, 35 and negative 8, like that. Close that as a matrix, and then we proceed in the next level. The next level, we hold this divisor outside, negative 1 over 29. Then we carry out this multiplication. We multiply this matrix by this matrix, and you remember how we do matrices? Or multiplication, we do row by column. This element by this element, this element by this element, then you add them up. Very fast, when you do the multiplication, this becomes negative 4 times positive 35 is negative 140, plus this is negative becomes positive 24, which evaluates to negative 116. Then the second one, row by column. This row by this column. This gives us negative 105 minus 40, which works up to negative 145. Now, the last step is we divide inside the bracket. Take note that this is a negative, this number is negative, the number here is negative. So when you divide a negative number by a negative number, it becomes positive. So the answer we are going to get here, which will give us x or equal to this matrix, will be this 116 divided by 29 is 4. 145 divided by 29 is 5, precisely, without a remainder. And therefore, we are almost solved. We don't stop at this point because we need to give the precise value of x and the precise value of y as follows. It implies that if this matrix is equal to this matrix, then it means x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5, and we commit ourselves to that extent. We just say x therefore equals to 4, while y equals to 5. That is the final answer. Now, it's always important to ask ourselves, fine, we are solving a problem worth 3 marks. How are 3 marks distributed? At what point do I earn which mark? At all times in mathematics, it is always good to know that the final answer always carries 1 mark. That is where the final answer, the final mark is always 1 mark. Then the other thing we look for is how do you get your first mark? You get your first mark if you get the determinant correct. So this is where you get your first mark. So we have distributed 2 marks. 1 mark is remaining. That mark is the method mark. And you would have obtained or got that mark if you came up to this particular point there. That is how you get the method mark up to that particular level. At the end of it all, you solve it in that particular manner. You distribute the marks in that particular manner. And I remind you that matrices is taught in Form 3. So if you have any question, please, you can contact me online. Use my link on Fanisi Academy, more digital on Fanisi Academy, and do your revision. Go to Form 3 and revisit this topic. Thank you very much. Keep watching. I'm giving you the next question in a few minutes.